Today we'll be adding an extension table to my bandsaw. Welcome to another episode of All Things Woodworking. I'm your host, Aaron. I've provided additional information in the description. Please leave a comment on what videos you'd like to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy what you see. I started by drilling holes to attach the extension table. I cut the metal I was using to the proper length and removed the burrs. I used a Forstner bit to remove material where the washers are located. That way it'll sit tight against the bandsaw. I had the table leg laying around from a project I had previously taken apart. The bottom of the leg sits on top of the base of the bandsaw, and it allows the bandsaw and the extension table to move around as one piece. I was marking where the table leg will meet the table. I used bungee cords to hold the extension table in place while I attached the table with screws. I wanted to make sure that the extension table was level with the bandsaw table. That way there's no problems running material through. The reason I added a table extension was to be able to resaw and book match large billets. I've been using it for several months now and I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. Thank you for joining us on this episode of All Things Woodworking. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed what you've seen.